Setting up custom checkout pages in ShopWired can give your e-commerce store a professional touch, but doing it right can be tricky if you're not familiar with the platform. Stick around, because we're diving into the step-by-step process, plus I'm going to share a better alternative at the end. First things first, when you log into ShopWired, head to the Settings tab. From there, look for the Checkout section. This is where the magic happens. The options here let you control everything from branding to custom fields and payment options. Next thing to know is ShopWired's checkout editor. Unlike some platforms, it's fairly intuitive. You'll find preset themes that you can quickly apply to your store. These themes allow you to change colors, fonts, and even add logos. But if you want to get more advanced with customization, you can dive into the HTML and CSS settings. This is great for anyone with web development skills, but not so much for those who prefer a simpler solution. If that's the case, you might be a bit limited. The fourth thing to keep in mind is adding custom checkout fields. Whether you need additional contact information or want customers to select specific shipping methods, ShopWired allows you to add these fields through the checkout page settings. It's not as flexible as some competitors, though if you need highly customizable forms, you might find it a little restricting. Then, there's the integration with third-party apps. ShopWired does support a good range of apps, but setting them up isn't as smooth as other platforms. For example, integrating marketing tools or advanced payment gateways may require additional configuration and testing. While you can get things to work, expect a bit more trial and error. Next thing, let's talk about testing your checkout page. Before you launch, make sure to test every single function. It's crucial that everything, from the payment process to custom fields, works perfectly. One bug could cost you a sale, so don't skip this step. But as much as ShopWired offers decent customization, it's not always the easiest tool for beginners, and that's where a competitor comes in. I'm talking about SoftWareName, which offers a much more user-friendly checkout process with even more customizable options. SoftWareName lets you set up everything with drag-and-drop simplicity and also provides more advanced options if needed. Plus, they have more extensive integration options that you won't find with ShopWired. Before we wrap up, I've got something special for you. If you sign up through our link, you'll get exclusive access to a longer free trial of ShopWired, as well as other cool perks. But remember, I've also shared some alternatives that I personally recommend for setting up custom checkout pages. These alternatives might even offer more flexibility to help you achieve your goals faster. So, if you're serious about setting up a top-tier checkout process for your store, make sure to check the link in the description for your free trial and exclusive bonuses.